Eto mga bossing, magandang balita para sa ating mga boxing fans dahil wagi ang ating pambato na si Ador Torres sa katatapos lamang na salpukan na ginanap sa bansang Thailand. Di nga po umubra sa ating pambato ang Thailander mga bossing. Round 2 lamang ang itinagal ng bakbakan. Narito ang highlights mga bossing.
Ador Torres slightly turns the screws in round number 2. Ador Torres pouring away with the jab. Staying light on his feet, the Filipino fighter. Right hooks the body there from Torres. Going down low again with a left straight on Torres as well. Here we go, there's that. Just touching away and landing with power with the right hook. Left hook to the upstairs, a left hook to the body there from Ador Torres. That's slightly caught, get rid of balance. Torres going body hunting again. There you go again. Big cracking right hook to the body from Torres. Who wisely just landed some light combinations to Derrick's side. Derrick's upper body, and there you go. Derrick's down with a body shot. Just looking to get up. Torres just wound up that right hook and just landed it flush to the body. And Derrick is not going to get up. That is our second knockout this afternoon. This evening. Very impressive title defense there from Ador Torres, who wasted no time making quick work of Derrick, 6-side top.
Samantala, sa isa pa nating pambato na nagsisilbing main event sa bakbakan na ito nga mga bossing ay si Herlan Gomez. Tinapos nga lang sa loob ng 1 round ang kanyang nakalaban na sikat na Thailander na si Comrades Nantapich. 2 beses pinabagsak ng ating pambato itong si Nantapich mga bossing.
Comrade 32 wins and 8 defeats in his 40-fight boxing career, and they're from Herlan. From what I remember from Herlan, it's making me remember it right now, is a devastating body shot right there from Herlan, and that's a concrete off balance. And again, Herlan putting on the pressure, again landing the right hand and uppercut, right uppercut here from Herlan. Another thundering right hand from Herlan connects. Right hand and left hook there from Herlan, and Concrete is on the canvas, no surprise. We've got 30 seconds left in the round. It looks like Concrete is going to survive. Here we go again, double hooks here from Herlan. Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's been being waved off. Herlan Gomez is the new WBC Asia Silver Bantamweight champion and has another round 1 knockout on his record.
Samantala mga bossing, dating pro boxer na si Isagani Pumar, nahuli ito pagkatapos nakawin ng isang bisikleta kaya sa kulungan ang bagsak. Simula 1990 ang karera sa boxing nitong si Isagani Pumar. Natapos naman sa taong 2002. May record nga po itong 31 wins, 17 KOs, may 13 losses and 3 draws. Bali 16 times naman ito lumaban sa ibang bansa. Kadalasan nga pong bansa ang dinayo nitong si Pumar mga bossing ay ang bansang Amerika. Siguro sadya lang walang ipon kaya nagawa ang mga bagay na di dapat gawin. Pero depensa naman ang dating boksingero at dating WBC contender mga bossing. Lasing lang daw siya nung sinikwat niya ang bisikleta mga bossing. Pero may kaso pa rin. Sa kabilang dako naman mga bossing, Janariel Cuadro Alas Casimiro, atin nga pong napag-alaman. Nalilipad na raw ito patungong Japan ngayong unang linggo ng Oktober para sa kanilang salpukan ni Yokinori Ogoni ngayong darating na October 12. At atin namang napag-alaman mula kay Cuadro Alas mga bossing na may kunting bahagya pa raw ito na kukuning timbang para pumasok sa limit ng 122 pounds o 154 kilos.
Pili timbang mo?
1 bantap. 152.
Kilang na kilo?
54 kilo. 54.
Sumali timbang mo ron?
Di ba eh, pag-amay mo ko, nagpapagay pa ako nun. Nagpapagay pa ako nun.
Inaanak ko kaya ito. Tapangan.